We just started reading Arnie the Donut, and now we're going to make our own donuts out of Model Magic. So you're going to take one big piece of Model Magic and you're going to break off a small chunk. We're going to leave that aside for the frosting later. And we're going to start making our donut. So we're going to start by just moving it back and forth between our hands, loosening up our piece of Model Magic. And now we're going to roll that piece into a ball. So you can put it on the table and start making a circle shape with the palm of your hand. So your clay should sit in the palm of your hand and you make a circle with it. Alright, now we're going to roll that circle into a long tube, like a snake. And you're going to do that just like you see me doing by rolling my hand back and forth across my piece of clay until it becomes as long as we want it to be. So that looks like a good length. So now I'm going to make it into an O shape, a donut shape, and I'm just going to make sure those two ends are really stuck together by rubbing my finger along the seam right there. That way our donut won't fall apart. So make sure that's really nice and stuck together. Shouldn't really see the crack anymore once you're done with it. Smooth it out. Alright, this is looking like a really nice donut so far. Let's make the frosting. So you're going to take that little side piece and you're going to roll that into a ball as well. You can make your O on your table with the palm of your hand. We've got a nice little ball. We're going to take this little rolling pin and flatten out our piece of frosting into a pancake shape. You might have to pick it up and move it in a different direction to make it a circle. Keep rolling. You don't want to roll it too flat because then it could get stuck to the table. It's like mine got a little bit stuck, but I think I can peel it off. If that happens, you can just peel it off and try again. But mine looks pretty good, so I'm going to lay that flat right on my donut, press it down a little bit, stick it on, and then I'm going to take my finger and push it right through the hole of my donut. And I'm going to take out that little piece of extra frosting and just tuck the frosting down into the hole of my donut. Awesome. And I'm going to take that little extra piece that we just got from the hole of our donut, and I'm going to break off small chunks, and those are going to be sprinkles. So you're going to take off a little tiny chunk and roll it just like we did with the tube of the donut, but we're going to just roll it with our finger because it's so small, and you're going to stick it right on top of that frosting. Roll with your finger, and you can separate it into two sprinkles if it's too long. Roll and stick those down on the frosting. And we're going to paint these next week, and they're going to look so cute. So keep rolling and sticking until your donut is as sprinkly as you would like it. And then we're going to leave these to dry and paint them next week.